In the year 2000, a small team of astronomers from the University of Arizona made an astonishing discovery. They had spotted a distant visitor approaching our solar system, a space rock known as asteroid 433 Eros. This celestial body, measuring approximately 33 kilometers in diameter, was about to make a close pass by Earth, offering a rare opportunity for study. As the world watched in anticipation, NASA's Near Earth Asteroid Rendezvous, NEAR, spacecraft was launched on a mission to intercept Eros. For 2 years, NEAR journeyed through the vast expanse of space, finally reaching the asteroid in February 2001. Its cameras captured stunning images of the rugged, craggy terrain, revealing Eros to be a world unlike any other in our solar system. The surface of Eros was not just a barren rock, it was rich in resources. Scientists detected large deposits of water ice, as well as metals such as nickel and iron. The discovery sparked a new wave of excitement and speculation about the potential for asteroid mining. If humans could find a way to extract these resources, it could revolutionize industries and reshape our world. However, the challenge was immense. Asteroid mining would require advanced technology, as well as a way to transport the extracted resources back to Earth. The concept was not without controversy either. Critics voiced concerns about the environmental impact, as well as the ethical implications of mining celestial bodies. Undeterred, researchers continued to explore the possibilities. In 2005, a team at the University of Illinois at Chicago proposed a method for extracting water from asteroids, using a technique known as solar thermal desorption. The idea was that by heating the asteroid's surface with microwaves, the water ice would vaporize, creating steam that could then be collected and stored. As technology advanced, so too did the dreams of asteroid mining. In 2010, the Keck Institute for Space Studies released a report outlining a plan for a mission to mine an asteroid, called Asteroid Redirect Mission. The mission would involve capturing a small asteroid and redirecting it to a stable orbit around the Moon, where it could be mined for resources. Today, the prospect of asteroid mining remains a fascinating and complex issue. While many challenges remain, the potential benefits are immense. If humans can harness the resources of asteroids, it could provide a solution to our dwindling supplies of critical metals, as well as a means of establishing a permanent human presence in space. The story of asteroid 433 Eros serves as a reminder of the wonders that lie hidden in the cosmos, waiting to be discovered. As we continue to explore the universe, who knows what other treasures we may find? Only time will tell, but one thing is certain, the dawn of cosmic mining is just around the corner.